Nah, we're gonna watch this thing. No, don't you just love Naija Poli-trick-ians? People who don't be minister before, who don't be governor before. Nah. Just they invite Toni Braxton. Toni Braxton, they play with them. If you touch them for body, they go just be. Some of them just a tickle. You think they sweet them? Chai! I had to they drop better money. I had to say per head, each of those senators drop like maybe 2 million naira or so per head. Nigerian money just they finish. Then they sweet them, say American singer, they touch their child. Hey, I hope you know what it. Because I learn video kechibo.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima. More fire. Fuka fuka fuka.